we had just finished modeling all the features onto our top body and bottom body of our soapbox. Now it's time to convert both of them as a component and assign that rotational movement between both of them. So that we're going to do now. So let me show you how we can convert these two bodies as a component, because the assemblies, the joints, we can only apply between the components, not between the bodies. So if you'll go onto the bodies folder and if you'll expand it, you can see we have two bodies here. First is the top body and the second is the bottom body. So what I will do, I will simply select both the bodies by pressing shift on my keyboard. I can select multiple bodies and then I will make a right click over here, and here there is an option that says create component from bodies. So I can convert these two bodies as a component. So I will simply click on this tool, and here you can see the bodies folder is gone and only two components are active. Two separate components are active. One is the bottom body and other is the top body. Now to differentiate between these two bodies, there is one more special tool that you can find under the solid tab. If you'll move your cursor to the inspect panel, and if you'll expand this one, you can see there is a tool that says display component colors. So if you have multiple components in your bodies, multiple components into your design, if you'll turn on this option, every component will be randomly assigned with different colors. So if I will turn on this one, here you can see it has Fusion 360 has randomly assigned two different colors to my two different components, just so that we can work easily, we can identify the different features of different components very easily, right? Now